Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful and nutritious recipe that's perfect for snacking or enjoying with your favorite dip, healthy rusks. These crunchy treats are not only easy to make, but also packed with wholesome ingredients that will keep you feeling great. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need whole wheat flour, a bit of baking powder, and some natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. You can also add in some seeds or nuts for an extra crunch and a boost of nutrients. The beauty of rusks is that you can customize them to suit your taste. Begin by mixing your dry ingredients in a bowl. Then, in a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients. Gradually mix the wet into the dry until you form a dough. Don't worry if it feels a bit sticky. That's perfectly normal. Once your dough is ready, shape it into a loaf and place it on a baking tray. Bake it in a preheated oven until it's golden brown. This usually takes about 30 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool for a bit before slicing it into thick pieces. Now, here's the fun part: return those slices to the oven for a second bake. This will give them that perfect crunch we all love in a rusk. After about 10 to 15 minutes, your rusks will be ready to enjoy. They're fantastic on their own, but you can also pair them with some yogurt, hummus, or your favorite spread for a delicious treat. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you give this healthy rusk recipe a try and enjoy every bite. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious and healthy ideas. Until next time, happy cooking!